In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change the main language on your Wix website. This is a very straightforward process that is sure to improve your experience with Wix, making it catered more to your specific language preference. To begin, you will need to head on over to your site's dashboard. This is the control center of your website where you're able to make all sorts of changes and adjustments. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll have plenty of options to choose from. But today, what we're interested in is nestled within the settings. You'll find the Settings option in the lower left corner of your dashboard. An array of icons can be seen here, and you are required to look for the one that shows a gear symbol, which characterizes the settings. Without delay, go ahead and click on it to proceed. Once you've clicked into Settings, you're going to be greeted with several more options, each of them pertaining to a different aspect of your website. We are going to focus on one specific option now, and that is Language and Region. This is the part of the settings where you can modify your website's base language and regions it is catered to. So after clicking on Settings, scout out the Language and Region option. Here, you will find a drop-down menu labeled Site Language. Go ahead and give that a click. This drop-down menu contains a variety of languages you can set as your main language on your Wix website. This is where the process becomes personalized, as you'll now be choosing your preferred language. As you open the Site Language drop-down menu, you will be able to choose your desired language from the list. Scroll through the list, and once you've located the language you want to use, select it. Now, you're almost done with the process. You've managed to change your site's default language, but to ensure that this change is applied, there's one more step. Look for the button that says Save. Once spotted, click on Save to finalize and apply the change you have made. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the main language on your Wix website. It's amazing how a simple change like this can dramatically improve your overall experience with the Wix platform. So, if you find yourself wanting to switch things up in terms of language, now you know exactly how to do it.